everybody, Tyler Shantae here. This is my video on how I do my overnight oats. As you can see, I've mashed my bananas, I have raspberries. I'm about to measure off my steel cut oats. I make my overnight oats with coconut milk. It gives it a lot of flavor, really just purposeful, every ingredient. So yeah, measure that stuff off. I'm going to be mixing in some vanilla extract, some honey, and the fruit. Mix all of that up. Make sure you mix it really well, please, because the steel cut oats will get stuck at the bottom and you will have some really, really dry oatmeal. It'll just be oats, rather. It won't even be oatmeal. So yeah, mix, mix, mix. So yeah, now I have mixed in all of my ingredients, and I will be adding some golden raisins because I really like the texture, and then when you let them sit in overnight they get really plump. Next day, really, really good, really soft, really good texture. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you during the next video. Toodaloo.